Welcome to Techidia Daily. I'm DBC. Okay, quick. Today, going to have a special edition, and that edition is to give an overview of Bluesera. Bluesera is the repository where all the Techidia Daily videos are hosted. So let me begin by noting that what Bluesera does is to provide markets, tools, knowledge, and AI systems that actually make it possible for companies and people to accelerate innovation and pursue the mission of firms, creating products and services that help to fix frictions in the marketplace. And there are core products we have in the market, and you can check them here. We have a business tool which enables companies and people, freelancers, to do inventory bookkeeping and other typical things they need to run their businesses. We have the eVault custodial services, which enables people to preserve, keep, store very vital personal and business materials. For example, you can store a copy of your certificate here. You can store bank statement. You can store land deeds, things that are very, very valuable. You just keep a digital version of it, and through our legal custodial services, whenever you need, you can always come. Then we also have a training part. Training parts, call it the great lectures, enable you to learn very important things on how to turn ideas into products and services and revenue. And within that training model, you have the Techidia Daily, a podcasting revelation on business which I anchor. Then we have the Bluesera market. That Bluesera market is where you see a catalog of all the contents that we have in Bluesera. Then we have the WinGPT, which is an artificial intelligence bot that is built on the proprietary knowledge that is built on knowledge systems within the Techidia Institute. And using these things, we now help companies and organizations to advance and accelerate what they do. So when you come here, the first thing here, if you click this link, it will take you to Bluesera Markets. And in that Bluesera Markets, you can see titles and videos that we already have in our repository, which is the Techidia training. So if you go here, you can see equity investing, cap table valuation, MFN, and SAFE. So if you go, the videos is just telling you that we have these contents in the training model within Bluesera. If you, of course, subscribe, you log in, and then you can watch that video. And we post about 5 contents every week, essentially once every weekday. So we welcome you to check them out. This is the repository and the summary of each of these contents. And they are filed in different categories, some in innovation, design, technology, career leadership, just you know. So I'll take you back to the top domain, which is Bluesera. And as you continue going down here, you can find description of the Techidia business tools. So it offers you tools for inventory, sales management, personal management, payroll management, expense, and bookkeeping. And also, as you go deeper, you can see the WinGPT. And that WinGPT is AI system that enables you to understand. It's basically your personal educator and coach. And you have the great lectures, which is within the training model. Now, the most exciting aspect of our ecosystem is the eVault Legal Custodial, which gives you the opportunity to store business records, family records, within the framework of a strong legal custodial service. So if that person is not reachable, the next of kin, maybe somebody's in a hospital, next of kin can come, and if everything is validated that that individual is the right person, give access to it. So we are talking about ability for somebody to not just allow things stored in your personal computers, personal phone. Those things can be corrupted. You use and work with a world-class institution that can provide those custodial legal services whenever needed. Now, I want to take you to the Bluesera pricing section. When you go to the Bluesera pricing section, the price is just straightforward. You can subscribe in Nigerian Naira or US dollar, or you can be monthly, or it could be yearly. Just if you also want to do this manually, you can pay to this bank account. You can use a FloraWave, PayPal, Stripe, or even Zelle, and make the payment and then send an email to this team, email here, and they will quickly do that from the admin panel. Alternatively, you can log in. When you go into Bluesera, you can automatically check yourself, and once you do that, you immediately have access. So how do you get into Bluesera? You have to register. Registration is just like opening an account in a typical Facebook, Instagram, social media. Is the same thing. Just go there, put your email, put your password, confirm your email. Once you do, you have access. But having access, you will not, until you are subscribed with payment and subscription, there are certain parts of Bluesera that you will not be able to use. But let's assume that you have done all those things. Now, you log in, because you already have subscription. So this account has subscription. So trying to now log in, and then Bluesera logs in. This is the Techidia Institute parts, and it tells you the different products we have: the Bluesera tools, eVault Custodio, Bluesera Market, the training program, the WinGPT and WinGPT Enterprise. The WinGPT Enterprise is the WinGPT, but it's now built on the library and the knowledge of your own company. In other words, it is work with a database that you have actually supplied the materials and for your own organization. So when you click here, you can see the business tools. You go here, you see the dashboard, and you can do everything that you do in a business. You create, set up your business. You have the bookkeeping solution for physical and the digital tools. You have your customers, you have your inventory, you have your staff, you have the roles, you have the suppliers, and all types of things that you can find within a typical in business to sub. You also have the Bluesera Market, and then you have the training solution, and that training solution here you have all the courses. And then you can just click them. When you click a course, you come here. If you enroll in a course, automatically it comes under My Courses, because if you enroll on it, it comes under My Course. When it comes under your course, you see all the courses that you've enrolled. What you do, you just click on it, then the videos are here. You go here, and then you can start watching the videos. Then if you want to go to the WinGPT, you click here, let's assume here you come. Okay, what is technology? You want to ask solution. It says WinGPT is thinking, it's trying, then it starts responding, telling you what technology is about. So this is essentially a very, very amazing thing that you can learn. Then this is the eVault Custodial Services. Enables you to see the recent materials that you have posted. I've not posted anything on this account. You can upload things that are important. You can also tell you the favorite items that you have posted, and then it gives you where to put next of kin, put you where to put the archives, or there are certain things you want to archive. These are all great options that you have available in that system. So you can see eVault, WinGPT, the training model, which has the great lectures as well as the dailies, the Techidia Daily. Then you have the Bluesera Market, which when you now go to it, you can post. In some accounts, the Bluesera Market may not be visible because we have not activated for users to actually sell things within the Bluesera Market. This is going to be the next version of this product, where it's not just only Bluesera and Techidia that will be selling things on market.bluesera.com. We can also make it possible for you to sell things, but that means that is coming. So not all accounts have that feature at the moment, in case if you open up and you do not see Bluesera Market specifically in an account. So you see the business too. Now, let me also say that we have a filter. For instance, you are interested in certain courses. You can say sort by popular courses, by recent courses. Then you just say filter. So these are the recent courses that we posted. You can also sort by courses which are popular. Then these are courses that are popular. You can also sort by Techidia Daily. Only Techidia Daily will show up. That means these are the ones that admin has filed with Techidia Daily. You can also look at AI, things like that. So I welcome you to look at what we have here. Learn, register, subscribe, and let's advance knowledge Thank you so much.